I'm Nils Berquist, and I'm the founder of the Ice Hotel.
And Ice Hotel is something else. I mean, I saw what you
yeah.
had to show this morning. It's an incredible place.
Yeah. So we are from the most northern part of Sweden, where the Torne River is. And we have brought around 20 tons of Torne River here in form of ice blocks. And now we have the exhibition. And Dave is the ice sculptor.
So is this from the Torne River, this water?
Yeah, this is direct from the Torne River. Shipped all the way here.
How do you do that? I mean, how do you sculpt inside of a piece of ice like that, block of ice?
This particular piece we've cut in half, and then we've like a CNC machine that cuts out the letters inside on one side of the sheet of ice, and then we glue them back together again, so it's like the whole block.
you glue them together.
Yeah.
So there's something in the middle of that kind of holds it together. Water.
Everything's water.
That's the whole thing.
Is our glue.
Well, it's not really that cold here today, but
not here.
But this exhibition is water and environment. So we are the part who are water.
Well, we're obviously made of water, human beings, so a big part of us is made of water. But are you making a statement about environmental concerns also and with what you're doing?
Yes, of course.
Absolutely.
Okay. How was that? You gave a presentation this morning, and you touched on a lot of different things. You touched on the building of the Ice Hotel, but you also talked about some other issues that Americans may not be as familiar with.
I think Americans are very familiar with water and environment, but we are living in an area where we are living so close, a clean river, clean water, and we are concerned about what happens in the world. That in many countries they have not water enough, and in many places they have just polluted water. And we live in an area where we have so much fresh water. So, of course, we are thinking about it.
What do you think of the Potomac? Have your beautiful embassy is right next to the Potomac. How does this water look from what you can see compared to the Torne River or any place that you are from or familiar with in Sweden?
The Torne River is very clean. You can go down to the river and drink the water directly and feel this is fresh and this is good. But I think you're going to die if you do that.
Well, it still looks good from here, but I agree that there's probably going to be a big difference in the effect of taking water in from here.
Yeah.
Dave, how do you keep this ice block cold? I see you have some kind of special equipment. It looks like a light of some sort. What does that light do?
This is just it's going to show off the ice more. It doesn't keep the ice cold. The ice in itself has been frozen for 50 days in a container when it was on its travels here. So it's minus degrees inside the block for hours and hours.
So that's really for an effect, more for aesthetics and so on.
The light is just for effect. When it gets a little bit darker here later on, you're going to see the ice even more.
Okay.
Like shine.
Okay, so this is going to be going on until tomorrow, I think, the exhibition?
The sculptures are here for tomorrow, until tomorrow, inside in the House of Sweden. And then outside, down here by the river, we've got sculptures for the next week and a half or something.
Okay, well
We're going to change them out every day or every second day, so we got new ice.
So you'll be busy straight through until you're ready to leave.
Yeah. That's the deal.
Okay, well, I think it shows that you know what you're doing. You've got ice here that's staying cold, and it's hasn't fallen over.
It's all natural.
And you'll have a story to tell, I'm sure, when you go back home about how you came to the Potomac River, and you showed Americans what the Torne River, what the water is like in the Torne River, and what you can do with it.
Yeah, I hope you can appreciate what it is we brought here, and how clean and clear the water is.
And also, I just want to say thank you to anyone who was involved in the party the other night, because we got a chance to taste some good Swedish vodka, and it was fantastic, and it was served in ice glasses, which was appropriate. And the exhibition, by the way, the building is beautiful. We have a changing exhibition here all the time, so there's a lot to see here at the Embassy of Sweden, otherwise known as the House of Sweden.
The House of Sweden.
So everyone should come by because it's a beautiful open space, and we're all invited.
It's a beautiful building, and outside is pretty nice too.
Well, I'm glad you're able to speak with me about it, Dave, and I hope you have a good time here in Washington.
I have done so far.
All right.